Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to craft a hammer in Hytale. Now the first thing you need is actually a workbench, and the way you get a workbench, you just press tab on your keyboard. This will open up Pocket Crafting. From here you can click on workbench. You just need 4 tree trunks and 3 stones. You can just go ahead and mine on these right here. As you can see, these are stones you can mine. And of course, for tree trunks, you can just come here and hit on these trees. And after that, you will need some other items. You will need some of these as well. So you just come here, and I want you to go ahead and hit on these plants to get some plant fibers. And I need you to get some sticks by coming here and hitting on these branches. And once you get your sticks and branches, you also need some rubble. So when you go ahead and break some stones, it will also give you rubble as well. Then what you do is you just come here and craft your workbench. So you press tab, come to Pocket Crafting, click on workbench, and then you click here on craft with your 4 tree trunks and 3 stones, and then you press F on your workbench, and now click on this icon to open up tools. And as you can see, we're able to click here for a crude hammer. You just need any rubble, plant fibers, and sticks. 2 rubbles, 3 plant fibers, 3 sticks. Then you just click on craft. As you can see, it has crafted my hammer. And of course, if you want more advanced versions like iron armors, you will need these items as well. But that is how to craft a hammer in Hytale. And if I helped you out, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It will really help me out as well.